1. Get started. Head over to Settings, Update and Security, Recovery. In the section for Reset this PC, click the Get Started button. 2. Decide whether to keep your files. The next window asks if you wish to keep your files or remove everything. If you're attempting to fix a technical glitch, choose the first option to keep your files. If you're looking to hand off or otherwise get rid of your PC, choose the second option to remove everything. 3. Decide between cloud and local reinstallation. The next window asks how you want to reinstall Windows, cloud or local. A local reinstall typically runs faster but uses a copy of the necessary system files saved on your computer. If those files are missing or corrupted, then the local reinstall won't work. Your best bet is to try the local reinstall first. If that doesn't work, then go for the cloud reinstall. 4. Confirm or change settings. The next screen for additional settings lets you change anything before proceeding. If all looks good, click Next. Otherwise, click the link for Change Settings. If you opted to keep your personal files, you can now decide whether you want pre-installed apps to be reinstalled and whether you want Windows downloaded from the cloud. 5. Choose whether to clear your data. If you instead chose to remove everything, you can opt to have your data cleaned. Select this option if you plan to give your PC away, as it will overwrite your personal data, thus making it more difficult for anyone to recover your files even with the right recovery tool. Click Confirm and then click Next. 6. Check apps and confirm. Reset the final screen before the reset confirms the outcome. To see a list of the apps that you'll need to reinstall, click the link for View apps that will be removed. You may wish to make note of any you plan to reinstall. When ready, click the Reset button. 7. Sign off or sign in. The reset then kicks off. After it's finished, your PC will reboot and deposit you at the lock screen. If you plan to give the PC away, click on the lock screen, click the power button, and then shut down the computer. If you reset the PC to resolve a technical problem, sign in and then try to duplicate the behavior that caused the glitch to see if your computer is now behaving itself. If so, then you'll want to start reinstalling any apps that were removed in the reset.
Like and subscribe.